Hi, this is Kelly from Pataka Kelly and Play Learn Talk, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to import your backgrounds all at one time and in a specified order. So let's go ahead and import our backgrounds. Now I've already pre-made these backgrounds in Keynote. You can do the same, or you can do them in PowerPoint or Canva or Google Slides, okay? So it doesn't matter where you create them, but you do need to save them as an image so that you can import them as backgrounds, okay? So we are going to hit New Cards from Images, select Yes, and then we're going to go find them, okay? So for some reason that didn't work here. Okay, let's hit Yes. Okay, so now we're going to go up to Upload, and here are all my images. Don't mind how I've carelessly named them. So how you can import them all at one time is using a keyboard trick. So I'm going to do Command A on my keyboard, and then it selects all of them at one time, okay? And I know that they're all selected because they're all in blue. So now I can just hit Open, and it's going to grab all of them at one time, and it takes a couple seconds. And the next step that we need to do is make sure that we click them in the order that we want them to be imported into our deck. Okay, so I want to start out with our main cover page, and then we want our next navigation page followed by a smaller navigation page, and then these pages can actually just be imported. They all go under one category. Okay, so it doesn't matter the order of those for me. So we hit OK. We're going to delete this first white page. And here we have our main page, navigation page, smaller navigation page, and then the remainder. Okay. Now this is a FlowMagic deck, and I am in the process of creating it. If you would like me to do a tutorial on how I link all the pages together, so the back button, the next button, the start, and all the smaller navigation buttons, then leave a comment below or send me a message on Pataka Kelly at Instagram, and I would be happy to create that tutorial for you and answer any questions you have about those navigation buttons, okay? As always, please give this video a like and a share to anyone else who might find it useful as they are creating boom cards, and I would love to know what you would like to see next. Okay, happy creating!